Hello, and welcome to this step-by-step guide on creating your MiLogin for Business account. In this video, you'll learn how to set up your account and add NexSys to your profile. To get started, visit mylogin.tp.michigan.gov. This page is where you'll sign in to your business account. To create an account, simply click Create an Account. Next, you'll be asked to enter your work information, including your work phone number and work email. Remember, your contact information is case sensitive and will appear on grants, confirmation emails, and contact lists. Once your profile has been created, you must log out to continue. To log out, click your profile in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Then select Log Out. Hit Continue. You can now close the tab. Next, check the email you used to create the account. You should have received an email informing that you've been granted access. The email should look something similar to what's on screen now. You can now open a new browser session, go to MiLogin for Business, and sign in to continue the setup process. Now that you're signed in, let's add the NexSys link to your MiLogin homepage. From the homepage, select Find Services. Scroll through the list and check the box for Michigan Department of Education. You should now see a list of all the services offered by the Department of Education. Scroll down until you see the NexSys option pictured here. This should open the Terms and Conditions page. Agree to the terms and conditions and select Request Service. Your request is now being processed. You will be notified via email when access is granted. Once you've been granted access and you log back into your account, you should see NexSys on your homepage. To activate your NexSys profile, select the NexSys link on your MiLogin for Business homepage. Then simply launch the service. At this point, authorized officials and MDE staff will be able to view your profile and assign access appropriately. If you need authorized official access or accounting entity certifier access, complete and submit the official NexSys security access form. The form is available on the NexSys website at michigan.gov/MDE-NexSys. If you experience any issues while creating or accessing your MiLogin for Business account, help is available directly from the login page. Simply select Contact Us in the top right corner of the screen. From here, you can expand the appropriate section to find guidance for a range of common issues. If you're still unable to resolve the issue, you can contact MiLogin support directly at the phone number and email listed on the screen. You've now learned how to create your MiLogin for Business profile and activate NexSys. For more help, please refer to the written TA guides or visit the NexSys website. Thanks for watching.